have to let the money come between us. Nah, they not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Oh my God, looking at my squad, they be acting Gucci like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship. I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself, don't leave. Baby, why don't you come with me? Hiking up that hill, that's easy. Oh my God, look at all my sauce. See me going crazy, like in the 80s. Looking at me like, where are all my flaws? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care now, all up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that moolah like a brand out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. Don't wanna do this shit without my friends right now. You don't have to let the money come between us. Nah, they not even capable to feel us. Nah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way we could lean away with all the people. Yeah. All the Italian stallions, with the Italian stallions. You don't have to let the money come between us. Nah, they not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Oh my God, looking at my squad, they be acting Gucci like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship. I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself, don't leave. Baby, why don't you come with me? Hiking up that hill, that's easy. Oh my God, look at all my sauce. See me going crazy, like in the 80s. Looking at me like, where are all my flaws?
Okay guys, these are some seriously sexy dance moves that I want to show you right now. So it's called body tracing or body caressing, whatever you want to call it. Basically, it's touching yourself, okay? It's tracing the joints and the limbs of your body, the lines of what makes you you, okay? So we want to trace them, we want to caress them and touch them. Now I have what I consider to be some of my favorite body patterns that I'm going to share with you. A simple cross over the chest, okay, and then down the body. But I want to highlight how I do this move here, yeah? I'm sliding across my chest and then down with a body roll, okay? You can do it without the body roll, but it does look better when you really push your head back to begin with, then your chest, and then you let a body roll all the way down to your hips, and then sit into it, bend the knees, okay? That's how I like to do this move. And I think it's really important that you add that body roll to it, because without the body roll, it just really doesn't have the same flavor, yeah? Now, when I do this move, I like to also step out as I do it, okay? So let's go ahead and practice right now the first body method of body tracing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice work. Now, I want to show you the second type of body tracing. This one, instead of going to the chest and down, we are going to go all the way up our arm, okay? Whoopsie daisies. Looks like that is enough for this free video, but the full video will be available online in my mentor program. So I highly recommend you guys check that out if you haven't already. It's crazy value. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Get on it. Link is in the description below.